like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 나.
You're crazy. Sawa tu babe. What? Hautaki kula waru? Babe. Babe.
Waru.
운동 다 하고 이제 압구정 무대어에 공부를 하러 가거든요. 그럴수록 바지 입었어요.
Babe, you're going.
되게 많이 하고
Okay.
우회전 taking a ride to join a day. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠. 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해. 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. 하고 싶었던 춤이 딱 골라 어디든 갈 거여서 다운받아. 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이. 음식은 그냥 그 전부리. 여기 있으면 더 충분히 행복한 미소가 지어져 yeah. 오늘은 한편에 더 말했었음 해. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. 이제부터 좀 달라질 거야. Maybe I don't know. 처음부터 알고 있던 거야. I feel it. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. It's gonna take some time. You guys should get used to me sitting here because this is the only place that the lighting is good in this house. But I came in to say good morning to you. It is Friday and I woke up late. Yesterday I slept early thinking that I will wake up early, but nope, I woke up late. I was in bed until almost 9. It is 10 right now, and just finished prepping my breakfast. I want to take my breakfast and finish prepping for yesterday's video. I stained my shirt in the kitchen, but I want to, oh God, babe.
Hello?
Yes, babe. Yep, guys, so I want to take my breakfast, and I was saying I didn't finish prepping the video yesterday about what you should include in your CV when you are applying to these agencies. Yeah, you know, guys, I'm not very good, really good. I'm not an expert with creating CV and all that, but I just wanted to give you the things that you should not forget to include in your CV while you are applying for the agencies, the US agencies, because there are things that if you don't include in your CV or they are not there, they may not consider you as a good fit for you to work in the US. So I have to finish prepping that and then also film that video and edit it and put it up tomorrow morning. So I have a packed day. After that, I also have to study. I need to pay for my green card. I've been dragging it, but I need to pay for it because I need to pay for it before I leave the country. So I need to pay for it. I think those are the main things that I'm doing today. So let's get this day rolling. Let me show you my breakfast and orange juice. And I want to watch some Kardashian on YouTube. There are people who record the Kardashian Hulu thing. So I want to catch up with that as I eat. Then after that, it is
it will be business as usual, that is work. So yeah. Welcome back. Today is Saturday and I've spent a good amount of this day just cleaning and putting this house back in order as we do on Saturday, but I decided to go out to do some grocery shopping because we were currently running on E in terms of food in this house. So I thought maybe I should do a little haul with you. I got a package. I ordered this to help me with packing and something else that I thought is cute. So this will be the last thing to open. What else do we have? We got fish. The thing I'll miss about this place is fish. This place has a lot of fish and it's very cheap. Let me put it here. It's very cheap. My house is infested with fruit flies because of oranges. I've had a lot of oranges recently. See, this is only 100 shillings. This is what I'll miss most about this place and Kenya in general. We also got some bananas. I'm craving just a stew of just bananas. It's like a banana curry. Can you guys see what I'm unpacking? Yeah, we got some bananas. These were, I think, 60 shillings. See, I'll miss this place. We also bought these veggies. They look like spinach. No, not spinach. Sukuma wiki, kale, but this is not kale. They are called sarats. If you are in Kenya, you understand that. We also got more veggies. This is called mrenda. If you are a Kenyan, you come across these. This is my favorite vegetable, and I'll miss it. We also got some dania. We call it coriander in English. Yeah. Then we got some onions, just the usual grocery shopping. I only got one. What is this called? Leaves. Just one. Okay. What else did we get? We got a pineapple, my favorite, though it brings fruit flies in my house. But this is 50 shillings. And then we got more oranges. These fruits are really messing my head up, but I love making juices, so I can't do without fruits in my house. These were 3 for 20 shillings. So we got like, I bought like, I think 8 bob. So do the math. They were like, how many for 8 bob? Those are oranges. Can you guys see me? Let me switch this camera. Maybe we should focus this way or this way. I don't know how to place you guys, but I hope you can see what I'm unpacking. And then I got these socks. These socks, they go for 50 shillings in Kenya, but I'm very sure in the US they are very expensive, maybe $1, and in Kenya is less than $1. So I bought several, and this one looks weird. I bought several, the tiny ones. These were 200 shillings. Then I bought these ones for my hubby. Those were also 50 bob each, and this one I'll go with them. No one is touching them. Now for the fun package. This is what motivated me to get out of the house, because I also was supposed to go pick it. I hope what I saw online is what I will get. They look so small. I thought they were a little bit bigger. So I ordered these bags because I thought I may use them for my little things like makeup and these socks. I pack them inside. This is one of them. So tiny, but it looks cute. I ordered them on a shop online. It's called, what is this? Reina something collection. It previously was called Classic Queen Collections, but right now it's called Reina. See this? These pouches, they look so cute. So I thought if I get several of these, I may use them for makeup and those other small things, and then when I get there, they'll be useful. They'll be like handbags. Not really handbags, but just some tiny pouch to carry around, because they also have the, what do we call them, straps that you can put on your shoulder and carry them. So I thought they were cute. This is a pink one. This is the strap. So I thought they were cute, and I got several. No wonder they were a little cheap, because they were small. See, this is a white one. It is so cute. So later you can just use it to carry something, but right now, for now, I'll use them to carry my makeup, and after I wrap my makeup, I'll put it here so that I know exactly where I put exactly what. So there's also a brown one. See, these are cute and they weren't expensive. I think they were going for 700 each. Yeah, something like that. And I also got a clutch, the same design. This is so nice, guys. And it also has a strap, the same price. It was $6.99. Guys, this is so classy. And I also have such fluffy like coat, so I might easily pair it with this. Yep.
We have that footage to show him when they like, yeah, you were there, like when they did this, you know what I'm saying? So I just absolutely love it. I wouldn't want it any other way. Marissa, how does it feel to wake up every morning with
So sweet.
Specific things that we
Let me
talked about on
mute
the
this
reel
first.
that
So you guys, my camera went off when I was doing the haul, but right now I think we had finished. I want to prepare this. Guys, my beans got burned and I'm so sad, but I want to prepare these beans, and I'm going to have the beans. We'll have the beans with this chapati. I bought this chapati from the supermarket. Guys, I like, and they are sweating, I like making chapati, but I don't know how to measure the flour, and I end up making a lot of chapatis. And in this house, someone eats one chapati and they are bored. I'm not a fan of chapati these days either. I don't know what happened to me, but it used to be my favorite food. But I want to prepare these beans. They are already boiled. Just like prepare them, and then I think we'll have that for supper because it's too late. We didn't even take lunch. Yeah. So once I eat this, I think that will be enough until tomorrow. So join me, guys, as we make this meal together. I'm listening to Adrian. I don't know if, no, I don't want to switch the camera. But I'm watching some YouTube as I'm doing this because I need some motivation.
I don't regret saying, but I absolutely.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto.
우회전 taking a ride to Jonah Lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나